Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, what we're going to talk about is the QQ plot, which is a quantile plot. And basically, what it does is it lays a distribution that you've got over a normal distribution or another distribution that you have selected, and it gives you a visual representation as to whether that distribution follows a normal distribution or another distribution that you have named. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a little program to create a QQ plot and overlay a distribution on it. And we're going to import 3 different libraries to do this. So we're going to import NumPy as NP because NumPy creates numeric arrays, and it also creates the distributions that we're going to be using, and it also gives you numerical formulas, functions. We're going to import scipy.stats as stats. So scipy is Python scientific library, and stats is the statistical module within scipy. And then we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is Python's visualization library. So we're going to create some example data. So data equals np.random.normal brackets log equals 0, comma, scale equals 1, comma, size equals 100. So normal means it's going to be a normal distribution. Your mean is 0, your standard deviation is 1, and your sample size is 100. And then we're going to create the QQ plot in using matplotlib. So plt.figure brackets fig size equals 6, 6. So that's the size of your graph. And stats.probplot brackets data, comma, dist equals normal, comma, plot equals PLT. So it means you're using scipy to create this QQ plot, and data is the data that's going to be used, and it's going to be used on a normal distribution, and it's going to be used with matplotlib. And then we're going to add a title. The title is QQ plot normal distribution. The font size is 16, and then we're going to show it. So this is the QQ plot that we have created, and so you can see that we created a normal distribution using NumPy, so we already know that it's a normal distribution. And when we set up QQ plot with scipy, the distribution that we selected was a normal distribution. So we've overlaid NumPy's normal distribution on scipy's normal distribution, and you can see that for the most part it's a normal distribution. If it hadn't been a normal distribution, it would be different. So that's it for the QQ plot. That shows you how to do the QQ plot. You can go into NumPy and you can set up a different distribution than a normal distribution, such as an exponential distribution or a uniform distribution. Or you can go into scipy's QQ plot and you can set up the distribution as a different distribution. So you can experiment with NumPy and scipy to create whatever distribution you want. But in this instance, we just used a normal distribution on a normal distribution, so you can see it and you can see what it looks like, because these charts are very important. They give you a lot of insight that you may not otherwise have gotten just with numbers. So that concludes this video. The next video we're going to be talking about some more statistical subjects, and so I hope you decide to watch it.